Why affiliate marketing doesn't work. Hey, what's going on, my friends? Miller Brett here, and welcome to my channel. On this video, we're going to be discussing why affiliate marketing doesn't work for most people, basically just 99%. And before we get on to the video, on this channel, I'll show you how to make money online. And if you're interested in those type of videos, I invite you to click on the subscribe button down below and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified on the latest videos that I upload. All right, let's get on to the video. So why affiliate marketing doesn't work and why people are saying that you're gonna fail in affiliate marketing. That's basically what people are saying with almost all of the income producing opportunities out there. Like if you're gonna invest in stocks, say, hey, you're gonna lose money. You're gonna lose money in stock trading or stock investing. You're gonna lose your money on cryptocurrency because it's just a made up money. You're gonna fail in network marketing because that is a scam or pyramid scheme. So people are always saying that because they have the wrong mindset, right? So don't believe those people. That's why I believe the most people that saying that are actually broke, or they're not financially free, or they're just way ordinary as just ordinary people, right? And why does affiliate marketing, specifically affiliate marketing, doesn't work for everybody? It's because of one big mistake that most affiliate marketers did when they started out, right? And that is you don't build an audience, you don't build content, you don't build trust and authority online. What you did, that's why most people, especially in one of my affiliate programs that I'm affiliated with, which is called Legendary Marketer, we take them on a step-by-step basis, right? Step 1 to step 5. But most people that started there just want to say, hey, where's the affiliate link? Where's my affiliate link? And they didn't even finish the training. They just look for the affiliate link, and then when they found their link, they'll just blast their link all over the place. And that's why most people fail in affiliate marketing, because they just blast it, and that is called spamming. Guys, spamming is a very bad addict, and it's basically giving a bad image to our profession as a marketer, right? That's not how you do it. This is not how you do affiliate marketing, right? You don't blast your links all over the place, and never ever works, guys. So get that through your head, guys. If you are listening to me right now and you're offended, that's good. If I'm stepping on am I stepping on your toes? I hope I'm stepping it hard, because I'm telling you guys, if you want to succeed in affiliate marketing, I want you to do it the right way, right? Don't spam your links. Don't be like, when you go here and they say those make money online groups in Facebook. I'm just going to show you guys. I'm going to show you an example. And if you're listening to me, I really hope that you just listen to me. So see here, guys, one member just posted here, get paid $500 a day, instant setup, no selling, no talking, no hassle, totally automated, and boom, your affiliate link, right? This is your affiliate link. And look at what other people did. You think they are interested in what you have to offer? Look what they did. They even spam their own link on this post. So who do you think, guys, will join this type of people? Like this is already a post, right? And then they're still spamming their link. So here, you want to make fortune, this ICO, right? And see here, visiting who has $15 and want to watch this grow 15,000 with pure profits, right? Even you're posting your results, it's not gonna work, guys. It's not gonna work. Even you're making $1 million and you're doing this strategy, I don't think it's gonna be, I don't think, yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm really I don't like this. Just think like this, guys. This is already a promotion, a post from this person, and then what you're doing on this post is you're blasting your links, you're spamming your links. Who's gonna see this, guys? Who is gonna watch this saying, oh, this is probably a good idea, maybe I'll just click here and maybe this will change my life? No, that's not gonna work because this is spam. And once people see it's spamming, it's just blasting your links. They're gonna have their defense up. They're gonna have their shields up, right? They're gonna have their salesman alarm like. Right? They're gonna have that alarm and saying, "Oh, this is this. I'm not gonna join here. Come on." Come on, guys! You're gonna have learn how to be a better marketer than this, right? See another post here. Oh my gosh! Listen, who wants $50 today? Yeah, me, me, me. But look what happened there. Look at the comment that this post have. Another link, links. There's no one joining here. Oh, maybe there's a few inquiries here. How about look at this, guys? Look at this. Come on, come on. Just blast your links all over the place and then just hope that someone will just click there and just join. No, that's never gonna work, guys. And I believe me, these people just learning this. Oh, there's a better way for you to utilize okay, another person. I don't care if you're making that type of money, but you're not helping yourself. You're just you're hurting yourself. Look at these guys. Oh my gosh, that's not gonna work. If you're seeing this video and you're doing this, it's not gonna work. Come on, come on. See here another post, guys, another post, and then just blasting your link, just spamming your link. I really hope that you're offended by this. I really hope that this will, if you're just seeing this, if you get angry from this, good, because being angry means you're offended. You're taking this, and then maybe hopefully after you cool down, you're gonna change your habit. You're gonna do exactly how successful people does it in affiliate marketing, guys, because uh, you're not serving the industry. You're hurting the industry. You're hurting yourself, right? And let me show you guys how you should do it. When you're doing affiliate marketing, guys, number one, please create content. Just serve the industry. Create content that will help people make money online, not just telling them that this is my opportunity, this is how you make money online. That's not how it works, right? Just an example, guys. Here on my Facebook profile, I just create, content like people love, like motivation stuff. Once you lose your excuses, you'll find your results. See here, guys, it's engaged by 100 people and 122 comments, and people love this. And imagine you have this type of post that people just love you, and then you love them back. And this is a very, very encouraging, very. I always get I always get fired up because of this type of posts, because of the content that I give to the marketplace, right? That's how you're gonna build yourself as a person of authority, not really an expert, but someone of value, right? I don't believe that you need to be an expert or a guru that you can be successful online. I just want you to create content that serve the marketplace, give value. That's why I want you to be a person of value, because that's how you're gonna get paid. That's how you get paid. If you are valuable now in the marketplace, that's how you're gonna get paid, right? So maybe we'll go here as an example. So how I was able to just work on my YouTube channel. What's my goal? And it's to help you make money online, right? Let's check out my channel here, right? All right. So my videos are like this. It's to help you guys how you can get free traffic, how you can do affiliate marketing on Facebook, how to add social links, how to have a beginner, how to get Twitter followers. All my videos are gearing towards one goal, and that is to help you make money online. And that is by doing the right thing. It's not about spamming your links all over the place. I'm not teaching that. And it's not about just being affiliate marketing or having that passive income. I'm also teaching you guys how to make money with testing websites, $30 per hour, watching videos, 10 websites. You can do a lot of things online, and you can make money online with not just with affiliate marketing. And that's what I want, guys. I want people to make money online because I want them to have a better life. I want them not working on 2 to 3 jobs, right? So that at least they will have time to things that matters to them, spend time with their family, and give to those that that needs help from with their finances, right. So that's it, guys. So that's why affiliate marketing doesn't work, because you don't learn how it how to do it properly. So that's my advice to you guys. If you want to succeed in affiliate marketing, do it properly. Learn, be a student, right? And take this in as a long-term business, and not just a get rich quick scheme kind of mentality, right? It is a very wonderful opportunity. It's changing my life, and I can see my life in 5 years from now is gonna be way different from what I'm seeing or experiencing right now. It's a very wonderful opportunity. Affiliate marketing, I really love it. I encourage you guys. You're gonna be successful in affiliate marketing. Just be a student and be patient with your learnings. All right, guys. So I really hope that you get involved in this video, and if you're offended, just let me know. Let me know, guys, that you when you see this video, you're gonna hate me, or maybe where you're gonna love me, and just I'm gonna giving you the hard truth. I'm giving you tough love because I love you guys. I want you to succeed online. All right. So Miller Brady here, wishing you more health and more wealth. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.